In the new Consumer Price Index with the base year 2024, which is based upon the Household Consumption Expenditure Survey, there is a bigger basket consisting of goods and services being consumed by us in recent years, and also a lot of application of digital services. There is one interesting feature here, how it treats the porter charges, porter services, essentially the railway station, railway porters. It has been removed as an independent item, but railway porters haven't disappeared. How they are treated will come to a little later. Because of the doubling and trebling of incomes in the last about decade and a half, people are relying more and more on personal cars for travel, even long distance travel. There is Uber as well for intercity and longer travel, which means if you have a personal car, which is the norm now, you have a driver. You have suitcases for travel with wheels. They have a handle. Your driver helps you. You're traveling less by rail. And therefore, there is some pressure on the railway porters. Also, Amrit Bharat stations. Massive modernization of railway stations that have elevators, escalators, and ramps. And when you have to climb a staircase, your suitcase is accordingly made. All these factors show that there is less of need for railway porters. Still, there are 20,000 registered railway porters. We book them, we use them. Occasionally, we do carry more luggage. And for that, there are digital services, app-based booking of porter services. For example, Porter Buddy, Coolie Wale. Thus, in the new basket, information and communication services have absorbed the porter services as an item, and they account for 3.61% of the total. And there is another vertical called transportation and related services. There again you have railway, different services like cafeteria and porters. That carries a weight of 8.8%. So, porter services haven't disappeared, but they are being represented digitally. Plus also, railway porters, through technology and because we are a welfare state, they are being rebranded and upskilled. How? They are taught firefighting. They also give first aid services in the golden hour through CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation, revival, and AED. The rebranding is being expanded across the country, though it started in the Western Railways. That is how our lifestyle, depending upon our incomes and the availability of technology and logistics, is changing and is thus impacting on the railway porter services. One more item, quite evidently, is out of the basket, and that is the torch light. Because we are all torch bearers. This enables us to be the torch bearers. That's all there is, and we have focused about the most dynamic aspect of the services under the new economy.